y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Perry, and today's video will be a nail tutorial. I'm going to be showing y'all how to get these cute and super trendy brown ombre fall nails. If you are new here, please take a minute to subscribe to my channel, and also if you like these nails, give this video a thumbs up. This is my first nail tutorial, so shout out to that, and let's jump right in. So first, you're gonna need clean and prepped nails. I'm also going to show y'all all the products I use, and I'm going to link them all below. I got these things all from Amazon. These are the press-on nails I got. I got them in clear in the coffin ballerina shape, and they were $9.99 for the 500 pack. You're also going to need a nail filer and a buffer, which I didn't show right now, but I will show later on in the video. A UV nail lamp. This also came with the 12 nail files, so that killed two birds with one stone, and it was only $17.99. You're also going to need some gel, which is what the UV lamp is for, to cure the gel. And this was a 3-pack, and it came with a base and 2 top coats, a matte one and a shine one. So I got all of them together. This is what they look like. I did end up using all of these, as y'all will see, so it was definitely worth it. Then you will also need different shades of brown gel polish. I got all of these together in a 6-pack, and it was only $14.99 for all 6. Of course, you only have 5 fingers on each hand, so I only used 5 of these. It came with an instruction manual for how to use the gel, as well as some tips that you can use. And as you can see, it came with a cream color, a bronzy glitter, a nude, a toffee color, a dark brown, and a chocolate brown. So I will be using all of these except the glitter. So step 1 is finding the right nail size to fit your natural nails. Make sure that when you're picking out nails, you get nails that cover up your entire nail. From the nail bed to each side of your nail, you want the nails to cover up your entire nail. You don't want to leave any hanging out. And once you find one that fits, you want to take out 2. And this is just a tip for future references. You want to label which size is for which nails. So as y'all can see, this is the size 5, and I will be using that for my ring finger. And I'm just continuing to size the nails. And label them. That is the middle finger. Step 2 is gluing the nails on. I used the Kiss Maximum Speed Nail Glue. I didn't show this at the beginning because I actually got this from Walmart, and it was about $2, so it was super cheap. And you just want to add a drop of glue to the nail. Press it on. Make sure you get it on there straight. Make sure there are no air bubbles in it, and you want to hold it down for about 10 seconds just to make sure that it's fully on there and it's not going to come off. You can also add glue to the nail first, like you see that I just did here, but I just wanted to show y'all that way as well. I prefer adding the glue to the nail first and then applying it. So after all of the nails are applied, you want to file them down to your desired shape. This is also the step where you would cut your nails down if you want them shorter, or if you got these type of nails but you wanted them in a different shape, you would shape them now. This is pretty much just the shaping part of the video. As you can see, I just like a sharp ballerina shape. So that's what I did, and I did not cut these nails down. I wanted them long, so I left them. I just made sure that they were even, and you want to make sure that you are filing both hands in the same shape and the same length. This is what they look like when I'm done. Step 4 is to buff the nails with the nail buffer. I actually got this buffer from Walmart, and it was about $1. But if you don't want to do that, you can also get a 6-pack off Amazon for $4.59. I will have it linked down below for you guys. But with the nail buffer, you just want to go over the top of the nails and remove all of the shine. And what this is going to do is give the gel polish a good base to stick to. This is what I meant by removing the shine. As you can see, one hand is shiny, the other one has been buffed. So this is what they look like after I have buffed them. And now you're going to add the base coat. After you add the base coat, you're going to cure it until it sets, and this will help the gel colored polish go on smooth and properly adhere to the nail. And you want to cure your nails for 30 seconds up to 2 minutes, just depending on what type of lamp you have, to make sure that they completely set. So when you take them out, you can just tap them to make sure they're dry, and then on to the next step. The next step is to apply the different shades of brown to your nails. I recommend opening them all before you start, just so that you won't mess up a nail you already polished trying to open up your next polish shade. So as you can see, I'm just applying a different shade to each nail from lightest to darkest, starting with my pinky, going over to my thumb. So this is how my nails look after curing the first coat, and I applied a second coat. So this is what it looks like after the second coat. So as you can see, it's very opaque. You can't see through it, and the colors are very vibrant. So this is how my nails look after curing the second coat and before I applied top coat, which is the next step. And for this step, I decided to use a matte top coat because that's the look that I wanted, but you can use shine if you prefer. And it'll probably just look very similar to how they looked before I applied this matte coat, but just with a little extra shine. After curing the matte top coat, they were super cute, and you can definitely leave them like this because this was a look, but I decided to add a simple design. So if you want to see how I did that, just keep on watching. So for the design, you're going to need tape and some scissors, and you're just going to cut 10 small strips of tape like so, one for each nail. After you're done cutting your tape strips, you're going to apply them diagonally across the tips of your nails. Then you're going to take the shine top coat and only polish on top of the tape. When you're done with that, you're going to take off the tape, make sure your lines are straight, and then cure your nails. And this is the finished look. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. I really love how my nails came out. I could not be happier with them. If you like them too, then please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you are not already, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!